Hey everyone, Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today we're doing smoked shotgun shells. And I know what you're thinking, Gorilla, everyone's already done smoked shotgun shells. Why are you gonna do them now? Because I'm gonna smoke up some cream cheese, and we're gonna stuff the shotgun shells with that. Now that is a loaded shotgun shell. Let's get into it. Let's check it out. Alright, so starting off, got my 2 cream cheeses. I'm going to do 2 because I want to use one of them to actually stuff the shotgun shells with, and this one's going to be a dip. So to make it pretty, I'm just going to kind of, we'll be smoking it on this tray. So for the one that's going to go inside of the shotgun shells, I'm thinking of this sweeter rub, this honey chipotle killer bee from Kosmos. Then for the dipping one, I got these awesome rubs from Runnin' Wild. Won them in a giveaway. I'm going to do it with a cherry apple. I think that should make up a nice dipping one. So I'm going to go in with the cherry first. Alright, I'm going to throw those in the fridge, let them set up a little bit, get them a little bit colder since they've been sitting out for the video. Then when the smoker's ready at about 200 degrees, we'll throw them on. Alright, since this one's the dip, I'm going to save that one for later. I'm going to put this back in the fridge to cool off. This one's going to get mixed into the shotgun shells though, so we're just going to I gotta give it a taste. Oh, smoky chipotle goodness. This will go in the fridge for later. All right, so there's my smoked cream cheese. I'm going to add in 1 package of Jimmy Dean regular sausage. And then I'm just gonna let this speak to me. Well, I don't know how much we'll add in, but we'll start with about here. So we got that cream cheese. We'll start about there. And since I smoked the cream cheese in the Kosmos Honey Chipotle Killer Bee, I'm gonna add some of that in too. Is that these will be a much creamier shotgun shell than you've seen online so far. And yeah, should add a lot more smoky flavor. All right, so the star of the show, the manicotti. Basically, I'm gonna get this, just stuff it in. Just gonna use a spoon, try to get that in there. I want to be careful with this so you don't bust it. Just get about halfway. I'm gonna go the other side. There you go, 1 stuffed. I'll bring you back when the rest are done, and we'll move on to stage 2. All right, now I got them all stuffed. Looking good. These are definitely loaded shotgun shells with that smoked cream cheese in there. And for step 2, wrapping them in the bacon. You definitely want to go with thin cut bacon for this because you want the bacon to actually cook pretty quickly. We're gonna put it in the smoker at 300 degrees. And hopefully in an hour and a half, the bacon will be nice and crispy. And all the juices from the bacon and the sausage will just cook that pasta. Turn out beautiful. Bring you back when they're all done. All right, there's the last one. Now, all that's left is to season them. All right, so you have the Kosmos Honey Chipotle Killer Bee on the inside. So I think I'm gonna stick with Kosmos and use the Dirty Bird for the outside. Get these things seasoned up.
Hey everyone, just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying these videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And also links to these seasonings and the stuff used in my videos can be found in the description below. Thanks.
All right, guys, the loaded shotgun shells are looking awesome. The smoker's up to 300 degrees. I got some pecan wood on there for some smoke. Let's throw them on. All right, guys, it's been about 1 hour. We're gonna take a look at these bad boys. Definitely need some more time. Come back later. Smelling awesome. Holy cow. Look at these beauties. Ooh. And I decided to, at the last minute, glaze these. I had some Kosmos maple bourbon rib glaze in the fridge. And man, these look amazing. I cannot wait to cut into these. I'm gonna use this guy as a little dipping side over here. Let's get into it. All right, guys, taking all my pictures. I've waited long enough. They smell amazing. We gotta cut into one. Oh man, I cannot wait to try this. All right, guys, gotta cut in half. This thing. Don't focus on me, focus on that. Holy cow. Wow. These are absolutely amazing. I am so glad I tried these. That maple glaze on the top adds some sweetness. The smoked cream cheese on the inside adds a smokiness to the inside that I think might have been missing on some of the other ones. I just gotta try it. And I'm gonna try the cream cheese dip here. Dip some of that smoked cream cheese in there. Oh my gosh. Amazing. These are nice and hot. I did throw the cream cheese back on the smoker at 300 for like 10-ish minutes while these were getting set up, but it's still pretty cool, but it's not ice cold from the fridge. But such a great combination of flavor added into that smoked loaded shotgun shell. Oh man. So I was watching a couple channels that gave me the inspiration for these. Ash Kickin' Barbecue. I watched his smoked cream cheese video. I thought, man, that looked really good. And I watched Anderson Smoke Show's smoked shotgun shell video. I thought, man, that looked really good. But what if we combined the two and made smoked loaded shotgun shells? So I'm very happy with the results. I'm gonna make these again. These are definitely a party type of food. Everyone needs to try these. And thanks again for watching, everybody. I'm gonna devour these. And make sure you leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. I just hit 500 subscribers. So we're going to do a 500 subscriber giveaway soon. So make sure you subscribe for that. And I'll see you in the next video.